In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Telegram account without a phone number for free. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up any web browser. For this video, we're going to be using Google. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up online sim just like so. And then you want to go to the official onlinesim.io website right over here. And it should look something like this. And basically what we're going to be using is we're going to be using a virtual phone number, which we can get for free thanks to this website. And then using this virtual phone number, we are able to create a Telegram account. So let's go ahead and actually try out a phone number really quickly. So I recommend going for the country Britain because that does work significantly. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on any of the numbers that you do want. So now, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and copy the number. So there's going to be like a little clipboard icon right next to the phone number. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and copy it. Then you want to return over back to Telegram and you want to go ahead and paste it. So make sure to paste it in correctly. And also don't forget the actual, first few digits, the country code. So it's 44, and yep, it is from the United Kingdom. And then from there, you actually are able to go ahead and create an account. So after you go ahead and press on that, what it's going to do, it is going to go ahead and basically send you a verification code. And in order to get the verification code, all you want to do is you want to go back over to the online sim website over here, and you want to go ahead and press on this refresh button. So you want to go ahead and refresh it until you get the code. And then from there, you actually are able to go ahead and use it. And if this number doesn't work, go ahead and try out other numbers and also go ahead and try out different countries as well, because sometimes what could be happening is that a number is just not working at the moment. So guys, you really want to go ahead and experiment and see if any of these does work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.